In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled up in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. A nitty-bitty mouse, pit-a-pat, tip-toe, crip-crawl, in the cave from the fluff-coat snow. Mouse squeaks, to-dump, to-dunk, to-dug. So he lights the wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Hello, Mouse," says Hare. "A long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A butter scutters by. Sniff, sniff a deer.
I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share.
I've brought honey nuts, Butter says with a grin.
Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in.
And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter up through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" tweets the wren. Everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons too. makes the bear
Achoo!
He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnaws and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles.
You've sneaked into my lair, and you all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I've had none.
And he whimpers and he moans, and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun picks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on.